What is going on, viewers and Gravity Falls fans alike, and welcome to Still Current Anime. Today we are coming with a episode analysis and decoder video for Gravity Falls Season 2, Episode 5, Seuss and the Real Girl. As you guys know, Gravity Falls Season 2 once again picked up its bi-weekly episode this week with Seuss and the Real Girl, and it looks like Gravity Falls for Season 2 is getting creepier and creepier with each coming episode. And you know what? With live-action animatronics being controlled by a psychotic computer game, you can't get me wrong. This show is getting creepy as crap. We've had so many enemies so far for this season alone. We had the zombies, the shapeshifter, Lily Puttons, Bill Cipher, and now the crazy computer chick Giffany controlling live-action animatronics, and I gotta say, I'm loving it. As you all know, this episode mainly focused around Seuss and him trying to get a girlfriend for his cousin Reggie's wedding, which you guys all know Reggie does kind of look like Seuss, and he's kind of like the opposite of Seuss, or like, you know, a little level below Seuss in standards. And I gotta say, Seuss didn't have a girl. His grandma wanted him to get a girl, and I gotta say, it was pretty awesome, especially seeing Mabel trying to play matchmaker with Seuss. As you guys all know, this ended up leading him to purchase a dating game which had Giffany in it after he really couldn't talk to actual girls on his own, and the actual chick in the game went psychotic. She was alive, and she tried to make him her boyfriend. I gotta say, you know what? Giffany was straight up amazing. Melody, the real girl, as we did see in the previews in this episode, was very sweet. Obviously, she was just like Seuss. She will be going to the wedding, but then she's going to be leaving. And I gotta say, you know what? It was kind of funny because, you know what? Seuss and them are still going to keep that long-distance relationship over online with video chat, and that's pretty awesome. As you guys know, every single Gravity Falls episode does have a cipher at the end. We've actually had 3 ciphers in this episode. The first one, in which you guys can see on the screen, was the end cipher, pretty much at the end credits. It was kind of annoying to actually translate this because it went back and forth. The cipher key was barrel in the end, and it came out to the anything can happen, or had planned, which we saw earlier in the episode, and it's mainly anything can happen. We had a second cipher, which I'm not showing the image, but it was when Giffany was targeting the kids and Seuss and Melody, and that read out in binary Space Jam 2, which you never know, it might just happen. And the last code, which was on the last screen that does pop up at the end screen, read Winning Hearts by Daylight, her emotional baggage is a real fright, possessing robots by moonlight, she has the one name, Giffany. Obviously, guys, they're going with the poetry yet again for the final cipher, and I gotta say, it's pretty awesome. In general, I would rate this episode, you know what, a good rating. Obviously, it was a fun episode, and guys, this was not a Five Nights at Freddy ripoff. Obviously, it was made way before the game was being made, and the game was even announced. Other than that, guys, what did you think of the episode? Did you like it? Did you hate it? Until next time, guys, peace out, have a great day, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.